Everybody, in this video, I got a mystery bag for Meghan to open, so to see what's in it, stay tuned.
And I'm Megan.
And this channel is Married and Flippin'. We are fairly new, as you can see, with all those thousands of subscribers that we have. I can't even talk right now. If you're new here, which most of you are, please hit the like button and consider subscribing. We would greatly appreciate it. Also, how else can they contact us?
You can email us at it's Aaron and Megan 859 at gmail.com. My name has an H in it,
Megan with an H.
Meghan. We also have a Poshmark closet and Instagram as well.
Follow us on Instagram, Married and Flippin', no G, because we're cool like that. Married and Flippin'. Yep, that's how we roll. So I will work at a thrift warehouse. If you watched any of our last two videos, you probably know that already. And basically, I get first dibs on what I want to buy, and I get it for very cheap. And I decided for this video, I was going to fill a garbage bag up that you obviously can't see through, and bring it home to Meghan for a mystery bag instead of a mystery box. It's a mystery bag. So I have one item that's not in the bag because it was too big and bulky, so I'm going to get that at the end. But we are going to let her start taking stuff out of the bag. And
I'm excited.
I think you should be, because
I've been waiting to open this.
But look, I paid a total of $8 for everything in this bag. So the profit on it, in my opinion, is about to be very handsome.
Hopefully.
Very handsome.
All right, so can I go?
Yep.
All right. All right.
Oh, we got stuff falling out.
Try to get up first.
Get this, whatever this thing is.
This helping?
Yeah.
Oh.
Get it out of the way. It barely wants to stay in there.
This is big. Oh my gosh.
What she said. Sorry, Harry, tornado. All right.
What is this?
That is a paintball gun / paintball marker. Brand new in the box, unopened.
Cuban. There we go.
It is a Tippmann TMC semi-automatic 68 caliber. I didn't know paintballs were like all professional sounding like that, like they're all high tech, but they are. 68 caliber mag-fed paintball marker. Like I said, it's brand new in the box, and I did look this up. The comps on it are like $200, so going anywhere from 250. Score.
And it's brand new.
Brand new.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
So have you ever been paint gun shooting, fighting, whatever it's called?
No, I've always wanted to, but I was too poor to afford to be able to go paintballing back in the day.
Interesting.
Yep.
Well,
I heard they hurt too.
yeah, I know. That's what I was
like
thinking.
They leave welts on you and stuff. So
I don't know why would you want to do it.
I mean, I guess it's the closest thing without actually getting too badly hurt with something real.
Doesn't sound really that.
But that was a major score. Somebody donated like 10 of these, brand new in the box, and I said, one of those are mine, y'all.
That's fun. Yep. All right.
It's going to be fun when we get that cash for it.
All right, so I feel boots, I think. Yes.
I'll find the other one.
So, let's see. These are North Face. Ooh, I like these, but these are North Face boots, size 5, women's 5. These are really cute and in excellent condition.
Yeah, they look like they've been worn maybe once.
Yeah.
Twice at the most.
Maybe that's
only because of the bottom. Other than that,
yeah,
everything else looks perfect on them.
These are great.
Why somebody would just donate these is beyond me. The stuff I see in there, you would not believe.
I like those. So everything we'll be posting on one of our
probably most
of everything
marketplace, I would say.
We're going to be posting on Marketplace. We post a little on eBay. We have, like we said, we have Instagram and a Poshmark closet.
Now we started off on Poshmark with clothes, and we decided we were going to switch to everything because you can make more money like that, and your options are.
It's way more fun than just.
It is a lot more fun. Your options are unlimited as to what you can sell, and I think most people are on Facebook Marketplace because they have a Facebook account.
Right.
Poshmark, you're Very limited audience.
Yeah, we just started recently posting a little bit on Marketplace, and we've done great selling on there. So,
don't get me wrong, I love Poshmark, but
yeah, so do I. And different platforms are good for different things based on what you're trying to sell.
Although she's been posting clothes on Marketplace, and they're selling within a few hours as compared to Poshmark. Some of the stuff we couldn't get rid of on Poshmark,
right?
She posted on Marketplace and sells it that day,
really fast. So we were trying to get through some of our winter coats and sweaters since hopefully winter's over soon. And I wanted to try to sell them, and they weren't moving too fast on Poshmark, and they were selling like crazy on Marketplace. So we're just still learning what sells best on different things, and of course cross-posting as well.
The future is Marketplace because everybody has a Facebook account.
I'm digging in here.
Keep digging.
All right. Speaking of winter being over, these are Crocs. I can tell. These are in excellent condition.
They're brand new with the tags.
Oh,
darling.
Yeah, you're right. Size 9.
Yeah, here's a tag. This tag says $44.99. So brand new with the tags.
Yeah.
It was. I think they're like originally dark gray. $44.
Yeah. It's like kind of like charcoal gray.
Charcoal.
And gold, little gold.
Oh, it says it right here. Bronze / oh no, it doesn't. It just says bronze / gold.
Yeah, these are called the wedge.
Oh, I guess they are bronze. I don't know what I'm talking about. Wow.
All right. Ooh.
These
Are these Meghan size?
Are they?
Sorry. These are Jessica Simpson, and they've got these tie-up. I'm not sure if you guys have seen those before, where you kind of crisscross them around your ankle.
They look like Roman gladiators.
Kind of, yeah. Or like ballet.
Spartan!
I was going to say ballet slippers, but
Ballet slippers.
When the girls crisscross it around their ankles? And you're thinking of gladiator and Spartan, and I'm thinking ballet girls.
Spartan!
Size? 6.
Yep.
So too small for Meghan.
Too small for Meghan.
But it does say that they're leather.
Yeah. These also look brand new, and they don't feel like leather or look like leather to me. They look like suede, but
I don't think these have ever been worn.
no, they have never.
There's zero wear on the bottom.
Yep, you're right. These have never been worn. We don't have the tags on them, but these are new.
Brand new. And they're really cute, like a wedge and then the tie-up on around your ankle.
Zipper on the back, so your Achilles tendon stays in place, I guess.
That's exactly what that's for.
You can't have misplaced Achilles tendons. That's not good.
Uh-oh. What am I doing in here? Ooh.
You're just pulling out all the shoes.
Okay.
Now, I wish these were my size, because they would not be for sale if they were.
Jordans.
Yep. These are
size. Okay, so these are youth. These are size 5. Youth Jordans, black, in pretty good shape, really.
Yeah.
It doesn't look like there's much wear at all on the
These
bottom.
have been worn
But you can
a couple
tell,
times at the most.
Maybe a little bit. I mean, a magic eraser around there, and they're
And you're
good
pimping.
as new. Good as new.
That's why I wanted these. Look at that. I just got my first pair of Jordans from the thrift store a couple months ago. My whole life, I've never had some.
Those are great.
I know, these are awesome.
What else we got? I feel another box. Oh. Okay. This is a model car?
Yes. It's a 1961 Chevy Impala model car from Sunstar, metal diecast. This I actually looked up as well, and the price comps, I think they're going for like close to $100 for this, so.
I'm sure there's like some collectors out there that
yeah,
would like to have
definitely.
this. That's awesome.
You put some rims on that, put the white walls, put the hydro. No. I'll try.
All right. We got another pair of Crocs. Pink.
I mean, they look new to me, so I'm going to pick them up. I don't care if it's
Very,
20
very
pairs of Crocs.
little wear on the bottom at all. And they are size 7.
Hey, that's Megan's size, right?
Size Meghan. These look cute for the
Megan's
summer.
size sexy. It's not 7.
Oh, got a little cutout right there.
So your feet can breathe. I guess.
All right. Those are cute.
I mean, these were wore like once or twice.
Yeah.
But other than
Very
that,
little wear.
perfect condition. Just the only way you can tell is from the bottom. That's it.
Just a little bit.
All right, we have one more item in the bag, I think. And then the other
Oh, yeah.
bulky item.
This is cute. All right, this is Nicole. Well, Nicole by Nicole Miller. So I don't know if it's like all
that probably
those,
means it's
all
less
those,
expensive because
all those people do.
I know they're like Michael by Michael Kors, Nicole by Nicole Miller. That's very original.
This is like snakeskin, and it's a crossbody. It's got a long strap. These are the kind of purses you wear to the bins. Crossbody, so your arms are free. I
wouldn't know.
Looks cute.
All right.
All right.
So now, my favorite item of the whole lot.
Oh, geez.
I mean, it's going to be hard to top that paintball gun, but you just talk to the people.
So everything, if you guys see anything that you're interested in here that we've shown you so far, or in any of our videos, like always, feel free to contact us for direct sale. We'll make sure that we give you a good deal before it's even posted on any of our other platforms. So feel free to email, message us through any of our Poshmark, Instagram, any way you think you can get a hold of us. We'll be happy to do it.
So you can't see it until
Okay.
I sit down. Ready?
Yeah.
Close your eyes.
Okay.
Open your eyes. Ta-da! Wiener Maker, baby. That's a Wiener Maker.
What is that?
It's a Wiener Maker or Wiener warmer. Oh yeah, you put your buns up here, put the little things on the little grill, turn it on, and it rotates your wieners. And keeps them warm or cooks them. I'm not really sure, but yeah. So we have a girl at the warehouse who tests all of our electronics when they come in. And I said, does that thing work? She said, I don't know, I haven't tested it yet. Let me get back to you. About 20 minutes later, she said, hey, it works. Don't touch it right now because it's hot. I said, I want that. That's mine. I've never seen one of these outside of a concession stand or movie theater, I guess. I'm not really sure.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, baby. You got
That's
the back.
funny.
You plug it in. And you can take this out to clean it. So, yeah.
Well, it looks like it's in good condition, if anything
It's in very
else.
good condition. I mean, it doesn't look dirty or nothing, hardly.
What are these going for, do we know?
I have no idea.
Okay. Well, those be...
These are probably only a few of these on the market for sale. Hey, that guy from the bin picker says, think outside the box.
G says to think outside, or pick outside the box.
I'm in the box right here.
Well, that's definitely outside the box.
Can we keep it?
I don't know if we have space for that.
I knew she was going to say no. But hey, it's all right. She can't steal my thunder. I got a Wiener Maker. All right. That's all I have for this mystery bag. That
was fun.
I do work tomorrow. It was fun. I work tomorrow, so I'm going to try to see what I can gather again tomorrow. But like I said, I only paid $8 for all of that, so I'm not going to be able to beat that. I will show the receipt in this video.
All right.
You got anything else to tell the people?
I don't. I said if they want...
Are you still shocked that I have a Wiener Maker? You look like you're in a state of shock and awe.
It was not what I was expecting.
Who wouldn't be expecting that?
Well, you know, it's different.
It's awesome.
I like to see what we get for that.
I like to use it first.
You have to clean it.
Well, yeah.
All right. Well, like I said, if you guys are interested in anything, including the Wiener Maker, they are all for sale. They're all going to be posted. If you would like to make a direct sale, let us know. And if not...
Please like this video. Please consider subscribing to this channel. Follow us on Instagram. Poshmark. You know.
You name it.
Lot.
We do them all.
The whole lot.
All right.
So, I'm off to go buy some hot dogs.
Don't forget the buns, hon.
Don't we have buns? We do have buns. I saw them earlier.
Oh, my.
I have to spend even less money now.
Perfect.
Woo. See y'all later.